we're taking the GT500 down to AMP to get the Baer brake system, the Extreme system on there today. So what the Baer Extreme brakes are going to do for me is have about the same kind of performance that 7 or 8 or 900 horsepower car would have when it takes off and accelerates. Well, that same kind of performance is going to be equated to the braking system. So when I step on the brakes, so I'm going to have a 6 or 7 or 800 horsepower brake system. It's just going to be an incredible stopping experience. And that's what I'm after. They're huge. They are really huge, and I'm really excited about it. Hey, we're just a few minutes away from AMP right now. Won't be long before I get the huge brakes. Been waiting for this for a long time. I'm really excited. Yeah, I am. I'll admit it. Feel giddy. Yep, just up the street here, man. Hey, you know what I'm thinking, right? I'm thinking that I'm finally going to spend some money on an upgrade that people can actually see and it's not hidden underneath the car. That's going to be a big difference. Big difference. Oh, almost here. Hey, Dennis.
Nice to meet you.
I think I talked to you on the phone the other day, right?
Yes,
hey, Tom.
Hey, good morning, Doc. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Yeah, what's the battery there?
Yeah.
Battery might zap you this morning.
Man, I would have been here a lot sooner, but there was an accident on Cactus and 51.
Oh, traffic all backed
It
up.
stopped. I mean, it was dead for an hour.
Oh, that long?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it looked like a landscaping truck flipped over and threw debris everywhere.
Oh, my word. So the morning when you want to get here the quickest, now it's holding you back. So usually what happens, you want to get somewhere and then it does that on purpose.
Yeah, right.
That's how life works.
Right.
You know?
At least it wasn't my karma that did it.
Yeah, at least once you rolling your car over, that'd be really bad.
Yeah.
Chris is starting to lay your hardware out.
Oh, wow. Well, what took you?
Huh? What took you so long? Did you bring your front rotors?
I did.
And the linings that come with it?
Yes, I did. Yeah. Man, that's the real deal right here. 3 pistons on that side, 3 pistons on that side. Emergency brakes. Look at that. There's brake pads inside. This I believe is the rears because they are smaller pistons. Rear rotors. We got emergency brakes go inside there like that. And dot 4 going in all the way around. Already have dot 4 in there. Just want to make sure because we want to keep that boiling point as high as possible. While I'm on the track, when these things get fired up, they're going to get fired up. This is the way it's always is. I don't allow it to get dusty.
I know the kind of person you are trying to clean it every day.
I do. After I shower and get ready, I go out in the garage and I dust it down. You know, now I was just in San Diego last week, so it was in the garage, dusted down, and covered for the week.
Wow. Yeah.
So all I had to do was uncover it this morning.
I think it's better treatment than humans.
Yeah, that's what my wife says. Hey, look, I still have tread on the tires. Did I bring my helmet?
Yeah.
No, why?
Okay. Well, maybe some teeth protection.
Some teeth protection, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
For a 7, 8, 900 horsepower car, imagine that same kind of performance out of your brake system.
More like about 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's literally about that much. Just in the other direction.
Yeah. Yeah. From 60 to 0, or from 100 to 0. Let's see that size again, real quick. 21.5 millimeters. So if you had issues getting your lug nuts off, at 21.5 is what you need. Out with the old. Look at them baby brakes. I never could understand why they put such little brakes on the back.
No more burnouts for you.
I don't know.
You have to do it the old-fashioned way. Just get all power.
Well, then I better start saving for that Whipple, huh?
Just gotta tear apart the rear end. Yeah.
Because the axle's got to come out. Yeah. So obviously the axle flange won't fit through that hole.
No. Nope.
Nice try.
No. I didn't clean the bolt. They'll get dirty.
Yeah, they will. Anything that has to do with brakes. Yep, drum brakes. Back to drum brakes. We figure stopping power and the drum brake is a lot better, right?
You know how that works out. Sure, little handy dandy brackets for your parking brake.
Oh wow, look at that. Nice billet design. Jeez.
Yep.
Extreme everything, right? That's to let the rest of the car know that that brake is working. All right.
Go ahead.
So another drum brake installation, fit like a glove. I'm just waiting for the opportunity to remind you about the panhard bar.
At a starting point, but we need to figure out The height of it should be fine. The height of it this way should be fine, but it's this way we need to adjust it. Because it is a C-clip rear end. It, you know,
it's
we
gonna
have to
move.
center it.
Yeah, it's gonna move.
They're gonna move a little bit.
Right.
I'm just gonna snug them up for now. It's a floating bracket.
Floating bracket?
Because it's C-clips. See, it has to be able to float, otherwise we don't fit on the caliper.
Right.
Brakes down there. The original ones are floating calipers as well.
Never thought about that before. So that's what I'm going to have to do when I put pads on, is I'm going to have to take the bolts off, slide the caliper off, pop them in. Seems like it's already popped those out and put them back in. So, and that's all you got to do. You don't have to mess with the spring in there or nothing, right?
Yep.
And that's the bolt you're going to take off to do a brake job. Take that out, slide it right off. Take that one out, slide it off.
We're checking the alignment first. May not have to shim anything, you might have to shim a little bit, but either way it's going to be close.
And the idea is that the floating axle's got to make sure that the bracket floats with it at the right place and it's centered for the most part.
So the rotor's not grinding on the caliper and so on. See how it lines up here?
Uh-huh.
And here's
And
the
then-
rotor.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, we got the brake lines in and brake lines connected. And we are moving right along. Hell yeah. That's what this car's been waiting for all its life. We got both backs done. But on the back here, we got, oh, I'm just talking. We got new drum brakes for the emergency brakes, so no more screwing in them pistons when we got to do these pads. Same operation as the back as the front. Just take the caliper off, pop those pads out, put them back in. Nice clean operation, nice clean installation. Huge calipers. Well, these front brakes served me well, but you know, I put at least 2 sets of pads on a year.
I bet. Attached to it so you can't quickly find it.
Yeah, I'll be getting real familiar with that operation. As much as I go through brake pads. And that bracket's a lot lighter than I thought it would be.
Yeah. It's all billet aluminum.
And in with the new.
Hope that an indication of which direction this car is going to be hanging upside down, or.
Push it all the way in with your hand?
Yeah.
Huh. I wouldn't even have tried it. Hit with something. Alright. 3 out of 4 corners. Oh, we got new brake lines installed over here. We've got the mounting bracket back here. No more plate back here because that wasn't compatible with the design. It rubbed a little bit. So when I do a brake job, got to take that off. Got to take that off. And slide this out. Put the brake pads in. Slide it back in. Still a pretty easy job, but and I'll be doing that quite a number of times. Only because I drive it hard on the track. It's the old brake bleeding time. Brake bleeding time with suction. Alright, the bleeding's done. Next thing we got to do is clean up the mess on the floor, get all that brake fluid off the floor, and put some tires on this beast. Holy shit. I'm just saying, that looks so much better. I mean, it is. Badass sounding car, ain't it?
Yeah. Rotors,
God, I love that car. All right, the brakes are done. You've seen all that work, and now let's see if it made it go faster. I know it's gonna make it go stops faster and better, that's for sure. Ever. It's going to be hard to show you how good it brakes. I mean, it's traffic is out there. It's a little ahead of rush hour. We may not be able to show you how quickly it can stop. Like stopping on $1 and give you 90 cents change or something like that, you know? You know, it even kind of feels like it accelerates better. But hey, every time you even wash the car, you know that washing the car adds a few horsepower. You know, I'm gonna have to do all my B-roll all over again because all my B-rolls got the stock brake look to it. Now it's like so dramatically different. I got to redo all of that stuff. Well, that was pretty quick. Really good stop. It really grips hard. I can tell the difference. It's too bad you can't in just this video. 14-inch rotors all the way around, 6 pistons all the way around, Baer Extreme mono blocks all the way around. Competition yellow. Well, hey, if you haven't subscribed to Doc's Boost, go ahead and take care of that right now. We got the Baer Brake Extreme put on the car today. It's a great addition to add to any high horsepower American icon. If it's gonna take off like a bat out of hell, it might as well stop like a bat out of hell. Like, well, I guess I don't know how a bat stops, but anyway. So get out there and have some fun. Buckle up. Hey, follow me on Facebook and visit docsboost.com. I have an Amazon link. You can get some Shelby gear, so you should check that out. Buy some merch, as they say. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.